Hey guys, in this video I will show you how to set up and use Paperback on iOS. Alright, let's begin. First, open the App Store and search for the Paperback manga reader, then install it. After installing, open the app. At the bottom, you will see 5 tabs. Go to the 5th tab, Settings, scroll down, and tap on Extensions. Here, you can add extension repositories. By default, there is one repo, but you can add more. Launch Safari and search for Paperback extensions. From the search results, open the GitHub link for the extension. Scroll down and under the manga, click the github.io link, not the main repo. For example, tap on the NetSky's extension link, then select Add to Paperback to add the source. After adding, tap Browse NetSky's extension to see all manga sources. Tap Get on any source you want. Return to the Home tab, and you will see the default Paperback source plus the newly added one. So that's basically how you can set up and use Paperback iOS. And that's it for this video. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and giving this a big thumbs up. Thanks.